Hello, this is Tabby from Local Marketing Co. I believe you spoke with my partner Cody earlier, but we just kind of wanted to give you a quick screencast looking at your business and your website and your online presence and how it compares to your competitors in the area. So looking at your site, my first thing is it is very clean, bright, fresh, and welcoming. So we really do like that. One thing that I do notice it lacking would be content. Google loves content. The more content and relative content that you have on your page that has to do with whatever it is you're selling, so in this case flooring, cabinets, countertops, tile, and more, the more content that it has, the better your rankings will be because it's showing Google that you have information, you are a trustworthy site that's going to be valuable in their search engines. Another thing I noticed is it is not a secure website, so that is a little bit of a warning to different like antivirus softwares and things like that. So that's something I'd definitely look into getting fixed, is making sure your site is secure. So looking at your stats here, it does show a good number of backlinks, but only 31% of them are actually giving power to your site. And it's also the content, and that's going to be affecting this number right here. So we do typically want these numbers to be one and the same and to have an even ratio. You are ranking for 58 keywords, so that's pretty good, and you're getting 25 people per month organically to your website. So looking at those keywords, the biggest ones that are going to be people intentively like looking for flooring in the area would probably be the flooring Kitsap County and Kitsap flooring. You are on the first page for both of those, but you're towards the bottom of the page. You can see about 20 people and 10 people are searching those per month. So there is about 30 potential customers that are intending to get flooring in the area. So being at the top of the page is something you're really going to want to work for. So those are some keywords I would look at targeting. Looking at some of your competitors, this one's Kitsap Wood Flooring. I mean, I think your guys' site is 100% better than theirs. But looking at their stats, again, they're not getting much traffic, but they do have a lot of backlinks, and that's what's powering their site and getting them up there. And their backlinks, 97% of them are giving them power. So that's probably the only reason that they are outranking you on some keywords is because of those backlinks. So those are things that you're going to want to grab from them. So you can see Kitsap or flooring Kitsap County, they are position 3 for that. So again, these are probably words that you're going to want to target on your page. Looking at another competitor in the area is Floor Decorations Carpet 1, Bremerton. And this one, they do have a lot more content on their page. So that is, again, another reason why they are probably outranking you. And then also their backlinks. But when I looked back at their backlinks, they aren't all that good. They got 35% giving them power. So that's why this number is down right there. They are ranking for a lot of keywords and they're getting some traffic, but again, adding some of these keywords to your site and getting your content up and getting some of those backlinks, those will all give you more power than these competitors and get you to the top of Google. So those are just some things we noticed looking at your site and your online presence and kind of your stats of where you're at. Hopefully this was helpful and give you some insight, and we would love to hear what you think about it, and we look forward to talking to you. Have a good one.